Welcome back to the BN Kitchen. I'm Jackie Lewis, clinical nutritionist for BN Multi. Roughly 4 weeks after your surgery, you'll follow a soft foods diet. By now, you're probably tired of the liquids and purees from the first few stages. Get ready to kick things up a little bit with our avocado deviled eggs. The purpose of the soft food diet is to ease your stomach into digesting real whole foods, but on the softer, easy to digest side of things. Look at it as a stepping stone towards recovery from surgery and eating a normal diet over the longer term.